Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to say a massive thank you to all the love I got from my first two videos. I was definitely not expecting that at all. I really appreciate everyone who liked, commented and subscribed. I'm so grateful. I was not expecting it to go the way it went. Today I just wanted to come on and talk about 25 free patterns that you can make in under an hour. These would be perfect for markets or just for little gifts that you can give to people. So yeah, let's get started. So the first four that we have are from the same creator, which is Nooks_hooks on Instagram. I will link everything down below. I know a few people commented saying that the links weren't clickable. It was asking me to verify my account. So when I went to do it, I realised I didn't have my ID on me, so I couldn't. And then I've just tried to do it again and nothing's coming up. It's not telling me to verify anything. So I presume the links work now. I don't know. If they don't, just let me know. I'll see if I can figure it out. But it worked for me, so I presume it's all fixed, even though I didn't do anything. Yeah, anyway. So the first one we have is a mini cow and a mini elephant. I love these. The elephant may take a little bit longer just because of the trunk and the ears, but the elephant is pretty straightforward. It's basically just one shape. The next couple we have is a mini koala and a rubber duck. The koala, again, a little bit more technical. There's a few different components in it, but it should still take an hour, if an hour, to be honest. And also the rubber duck is fairly straightforward too. The next one we have is a blueberry. Now this is adorable. I think it would work so well as a keyring. Not necessarily like a plushie on its own just because it's so small, but definitely a keyring would suit this really well. The next one we have is a mini jellyfish. The standard size jellyfish that I was talking about in my other video is fairly straightforward and quick to put together anyway, but if you are looking for something under an hour, this would be the one to go for. The next two are both dinosaurs, but they are from two different creators. We've got a brontosaurus and a triceratops. Again, the triceratops is similar to the one I was talking about in my other video, but all of these patterns are from Instagram, so you can find them on there and I will link it all. But yes, this trike is pretty much the same as the other one I was talking about. Same sort of length to make, if that makes sense. The next one we have is a no-so banana. I haven't actually made this. I don't know how difficult it is, but it doesn't look too bad. It's still small, still doable in under an hour. Yeah, the next one we have is a mini mushy. I know these are really popular as well because a lot of people make them for markets and they do sell really well. I'm not sure if it's the original creator or this is something slightly different, but yeah, super cute. The next one we have is a marshmallow kitty. I love this. I love how simple but nice it looks. Again, it's one of those ones where it's just a simple circle, like round shape with details on the face. It works really well. The next one is a mini squid, similar to the mini jellyfish, but obviously this one's in the plush yarn. Again, super quick to make. I do want to do a video where I test a bunch of free patterns and review them. Again, same with paid patterns as well. I want to try that just to see how they are, like how easy they are to put together. So that might be one of my next couple of videos. The next one we have is a leggy axolotl. Similar to the leggy frog. I've actually never made a leggy frog before because I don't like the look of them. But they are really popular. I see them everywhere. Every time someone does a crochet video, like a market prep video, they're always in there. But I've never been a big fan of them. However, this one I really like. It's something different. I've never seen the leggy aspect as an axolotl before. But yeah, so cute. The next one we have is an Easter egg. Now, personally, I would do this in a way where it's incorporated into another plushie. Say like a bear holding an Easter egg to make it Easter themed. I think would work really well, but it's definitely something simple and straightforward to put together if you are just looking for that Easter egg on its own. The next one we have is Kirby. Now this is again one of the ones where it's just a basic shape, easy to put together. Definitely won't take too long. The next two are both snails and I love both of these. I really want to make the heart one for my Valentine's Day To be fair, it's getting a bit late for Valentine's, isn't it? I really haven't done a lot. I had a whole plan that was like, I want to make this, this and this, all Valentine's themed, and I've only done the bunny. So who knows? I might do it, I might not. Either way, I want to try it eventually. It is a little snail pattern and a heart snail pattern. I love both of them, especially the heart one. I really want to do it. I was gonna make it for my boyfriend, but he just won't appreciate it. He's one of those guys where he's like not really into that sort of stuff. I made him a dinosaur. He had it on top of his PC for a couple of months, and now it's away in his drawer. So there's just no point trying to make him something nice. The next one we have is an octopus. I think this is really cute. I know there's a lot of different style of this pattern out there. You can probably do most of them in under an hour. The next one we have is Happy the Hippo. Now this is one of my favourite ones on the list. I absolutely love this, and I'm probably going to make it after this video because I have nothing else to do today. The next one is Birdie Pops. I've seen people make mushroom versions of these. I'm not really sure how they work, but they do look cute. I love the sort of bird themed plushies, like the really little ones, which actually moves us on perfectly to our next plush. It is the 3-in-1 birds. These are perfect for key rings, or again just as gifts. They're really quick to make up and they just look adorable, to be honest. The next one we have is a bumblebee. This is very similar to the ones I was talking about in my last video, where it's just like the round shape with the wings that everyone makes and that are super popular. This one's slightly different though. I love the shape of it. I think it's so different for a bumblebee, but I still think it works really well. The next one we have is No Sew Turtles, and I know there's a lot of patterns like that out there, but this is definitely the quickest one that I've seen. It'd probably take about 15 to 20 minutes if you are experienced in crocheting. Obviously it'll take a little bit longer if you're brand new to it, but it's still perfect for beginners to practice with anyway. The next one we have is a dangly duck. This is also one of my favourites. It's in my top 3 on this list. It's so cute, and if I made that I would definitely hang that in my car. I just think it's so adorable. Yeah, super quick to put together, super easy. The last one we have is my number 1 on this list. I've once again saved the best till last. It is Trunk the Turtle. I am so in love with this pattern. I can't even put it into words. Every time I see a video of it, I just want to buy that plushie off the person. Even though I can make it myself, I want to buy that plushie. I absolutely love it. It's also no-sew as well, which is great. It's perfect. But yeah, that is the full list for this video. I really appreciate everyone for subscribing, liking and commenting on the video. If you want to see more of these, just comment down below and I will definitely reply to everybody. So yeah, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.